Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show how to use incognito mode in YouTube app in Android. Normally, we all know how to use YouTube in incognito mode in desktop, but YouTube is rolling out its new feature to use incognito mode in YouTube app of Android. So let's see how to do that. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my videos. So let's get started. To use YouTube app on Android in incognito mode, just open YouTube and go to home section, and on the top click on the profile, and you could see an option called turn on incognito which is newly added. Just tap on the option. Now it shows you are incognito below. It means that now you're using YouTube app on Android in incognito mode. Just tap on library and it says that nothing is added to your library while you're incognito. And even if you click on inbox, it shows that your messages and notifications are hidden while you're in incognito. All your subscriptions are also hidden when you're in incognito. Only you could see trending videos as well as videos which are shown in the home. Now to get out of incognito mode of YouTube app, just tap on the profile again and tap on the option called turn off incognito. Now you are getting out of incognito mode to the normal mode. So this is how to use incognito mode in YouTube app on Android. Hope you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please like and share the video. And if anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video.